Just past 11 o'clock on a Saturday, we're watching the mercury struggle to warm up a little bit. Same thing with our commercial and personal vehicles. I did miss some time due to changes with work and family with relation to the cold temperatures and the school day schedule, so I appreciate your patience. At the same time, I have my homework to do. I'm still looking at the daily averages and trying to find out the records for the past week. Tuesday was cold. Friday was cold, very cold. Friday night was extremely cold. We're about 15 degrees below normal for the overnight lows, and almost a minus 50-degree wind chill for Matheson. Last night's systems map, high pressures over the over the Prairie provinces. With that clockwise wind flow, the jet stream is scurrying or racing across northeast Ontario. Low pressure parked over extreme northern Quebec past the Atlantic Ocean with a backwards wind flow causing the mercury to nosedive and cool down rapidly. Oh yes. This morning, the high pressure systems, they moved southeastward from the prairies. They parked themselves over the Great Lakes. There's that clockwise wind flow. The temperature on the ground, Matheson was minus 37. 40,000 feet above the Earth's surface, where we are, it's only minus 50 to minus 55 in the upper atmosphere. So the upper atmosphere is sharing the wonderful cold temperatures with us here on the ground, but we're used to that in towards northeast Ontario. As far as the satellite goes, well, there's nothing much to talk about across Ontario, but it's so cold that the satellite is picking up the cold temperatures, converting it to some cloud cover. 8 o'clock this morning for the last 2 hours, going into 9 a.m. and 10 a.m., 21,000-foot thin layer overcast clouds over Kapuskasing. Moosonee, Timmins, Earlton, we're in good shape for crystal clear skies, but the wind chills are there for sure. Your afternoon forecast, well, high pressure on the map over Wisconsin. This is the dominant weather feature for here in northeast Ontario. A small trough might produce lake effect snow. I'm not looking at that except for our region, where we will see a sun cloud mix. Low-level scattered clouds, and the cold bolt of Arctic air continues to hang around northern Ontario. For this evening's forecast for the dinner hour, we double up on the high pressure between Wisconsin and Ottawa, Ontario. That doesn't hide the cool air because the cold Arctic temperatures continue, but the good news is we sustain the low-level scattered clouds. Now your forecast from the Weather Network and instant weather.